Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm talking about organizing today. When I'm unorganized, I just can't seem to get my mind around the chores at hand. Mindspace has sponsored this video, and I'm so glad they did, because they've devised great systems for organizing. This video is how to get that done to make it easy for you. Mindspace first caught my eye with their over-the-door shoe organizer. My closet's a mess. I have these shelves in my closet, and that's where I've been storing my shoes. Every shelf has its own little color category, but the shoes are sitting on top of each other. I like my closet to be organized, and I want my shoes arranged by color theme too. So with this over-the-door shoe organizer, I can put just the colors I want in the same way I organize the rest of my closet. My high heels are all identified, and then my sporting shoes and my sandals are identified. I have tons of shoes. I've needed this for years. It's really easy to install, and all you have to do is hook in the brackets with the holes they provide, and they provide you the brackets too. And then it's just simple, over the door she goes. The brackets are so thin, my door will open and close with ease. It doesn't get stuck. And then it's just time to put the shoes in. It holds a lot of weight. That fabric is really sturdy, but it's not super heavy. It's made with high-tech material, perfect for this job. I like the beige color because it's very softening for the eyes. The compact organizer caddy comes in black and silver, and this larger caddy that comes with a handle. My most favorite features about these organizers is that I can take them where I want to do my projects. Many times I'm cooking and I need to be at my kitchen table to work on a project, so I'm close to be able to stir my soup. I like to be in the center of my household to see what's going on. So having these organizers allows me to bring those projects right where I want to work on them. Sometimes I enjoy having YouTube on in the background as I'm doing my projects. Tax season's coming up, so Mindspace is giving me the space in my mind to tackle that big project. All of these desk organizers are lightweight, but really sturdy. They have great features like a drawer that pulls in and out. It slides right over that mesh really easily. No rollers needed. They've designed it well. I always need a place to put my mail when it comes. That's easy for me to get to and isn't just stacks all over my house. These organizers are great for that. Whether it's home space, workspace, or beauty spaces you need organized, check out Mindspace. Click the link below and see all the great products they have. They're amazing, I love them, and my mind is less cluttered with Mindspace. I'm Rebecca Brown, subscribe to my channel. Make a comment, what things should we work on organizing? I've shown you a few of my tips here. What do you need organized in your life? Let me check it out and make a video for you on it. Subscribe to my channel and let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe for better organization so we can get things done.